Hey there, cupcake enthusiasts. Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for in-depth reviews and insights on the latest kitchen gadgets and party essentials. Today, we're diving into something truly delightful. The best Carnival Cupcake Stand you can find on the market. Introducing the Carnival Cupcake Stand by Amyhill. This whimsical 3-tier cardboard cupcake holder brings the vibrant charm of a circus right to your dessert table. Whether you're hosting a birthday bash, a carnival-themed party, or just want to add some fun to your gatherings, this stand is a must-have. Let's break down why this cupcake stand stands out. First off, it's crafted from sturdy cardboard, designed to safely display your favorite treats like cupcakes, cookies, macaroons, and more. The classic red and white striped pattern and circus tent-inspired design evoke a sense of nostalgia and festivity, making it perfect for any celebratory occasion. The stand measures approximately 11.81 inches in diameter at the base and reaches a height of 15.75 inches, providing ample space for plenty of goodies. It's easy to assemble, ensuring you spend less time setting up and more time enjoying the party. What really sets this Carnival Cupcake Stand apart? Well, besides its charming design, it's incredibly versatile. Whether you're planning a kid's birthday party, a baby shower, or even a wedding dessert spread, this stand adapts beautifully to any theme. The material is not only durable but also environmentally friendly, making it a sustainable choice for your party decor. Plus, the clear printing ensures the vibrant colors won't fade over time, giving you a reusable option for future celebrations. So, whether you're gearing up for a carnival-themed extravaganza or simply want to add a touch of whimsy to your next gathering, the Carnival Cupcake Stand by Amyhill is your go-to choice. With its durable construction, delightful design, and affordable price point, it's no wonder it's flying off the shelves. That's all for today's review. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more honest reviews and helpful tips. Leave a comment below if you've tried this cupcake stand or if you have any questions. Until next time, happy hosting.